It's August 15, 2024. We've got a fully finished Blue Baron 36. And the serial number here, 3120100, going to Houma, Louisiana. This unit came out beautiful. It's going to give them great heat and suction and ease of maintenance. Look at everything is open. Easy to change out belts. You don't have those rubber couplings that can leave you in a situation of breakage and loss of jobs. And one of the other features is you can get high pressure. We have a 3,500 pounds pressure rated patented heat exchanger. We've been doing this for a long time. We're going into our 19th year of building these Blue Baron truck mounts and the access point heat exchangers. We're very well known in the industry for what we've done as far as helping those guys out there that may be in a situation where they need a new heater, but they don't need a new truck mount. So we've saved the industry quite a lot and helping people out in a time of need. And we kept our costs down because we're not only that, but we got CNC services and plasma cutting. We're doing all that we can to do in-house to eliminate all of the high cost of metals and metal services. We do all our own TIG welding. We're proud of what we've established here. Look at open concept, easy breathe, and then you've got the shroud here that you could be able to take the shroud off in the event that you have a problem with the Kohler. In most cases, these Kohlers run. It's a 27 horse Kohler, plenty of torque, and we have a 3LR blower, but we also use the Urus as well. They're just very compatible units for blower vacuum, and as we also keep the same pipe convention, 2.5 going in and 2.5 going out. We have a dynamo silencer, very strategically built and engineered for maximum CFM, but at the same time maximum decibel dampening. And especially in those tight areas where you got a lot of high density residential, or if you got a restaurant not too far from a residential area, you're going to get great dampening and great recovery all at the same time. All stainless header, TIG welded. As you can see, everything is solid, quarter plate, very well built, infrastructure, tubular, 1.5 carbon steel infrastructure, all TIG welded, extension feet, heavy foot brackets for easy mounting. This is a great unit, and we're going to have a final test on it as well. And it's just very well laid out, easy to get to all the parts. The pump, you've got a drain here for your pump oil and an easy marker indicator telling you how much pump oil you have in the crankcase. A dipstick, same for the engine. You've got this tied right now, but it can be flopping over and put a pan at the bottom and let it drain out. You've got power cables, one which is the high limit shutdown for your wastewater tank. In case it gets too high, there's a liquid level switch on the tank, as well as another set of wires that controls your solenoid on your unit. So on your actual, it's controlled by this, and when it reaches the desired temperature, this light goes on. This is your accessory light, so that goes on when it turns on. So that brings power to the entire panel, including this accessory right along here, which you could use for pump out or demand pump. If you require another one, we can put another one in there for not a huge additional cost. These are so well equipped and so well built, but we've been able to beat the market on pricing. Okay, you're going to get a superior unit, not a garage built looking unit like some of the others out there, especially ones that are running on propane. You want to go out there and do all your pressure washing jobs. Never turn a pressure washing job, especially in this economy. You want to get as much Baron for the buck, and you'll be very happy with these units. And they just keep going and going and going. We got testimonies a mile long. You can read all of them. Usually it's about a 4-week build time, usually. We're very, very equipped with CNC, so we've built up our CNC. We're going to be putting another building in the back. There will be another building. And we have now built these tanks at 3/16 thickness. I mean, they're real thick. They're not flim flam, okay? They're very well built, and you'll be happy with the way we build these tanks. It's hard to find factories that build good tanks. Not only that, but a lot of these other businesses can't get people that can build tanks, and that has made their truck mount suffer, because you've got to have it as an entire unit. Although we do sell these separately, but most of the time they're just matched up with the console. Now, if you don't want a tank, we can give you a reduced price on the console only. But either way, we're here to give you the best the industry has to offer. Easy maintenance, easy operation. Look at that. Pressure gauge, vacuum gauge, temperature, acrylic flow meter for flow control, gallon per hour flow control of your chemical feed, bypass to allow circulation, and an inlet that comes with it. So this is an adapter that comes with it as well. High pressured line that goes right here for your carpet wand or tool. Everything is individually separated. We do not build units combining vacuum with heat exchange. That is a very bad way of building, okay? You can cause a lot of backup pressure for your engine, put a lot of strain on it. Plus, you don't want any sort of cancellation. I've seen like some of these other units where they actually merge the blower discharge air into the heat exchanger on some of those copper tube and fins. And stay away from units that have copper tube and fins. Stay with the heavy duty stainless. We have a patented design that has, we actually sell to John Donne, some of the Prochem aftermarkets, and Aramco. We got many end users that love our heat exchangers for the 1200 White Magics, the CDS. We do build the coolant style as well, and the vacuum discharge air if you decide if you got a Prochem 800A. But either way, we're here to stay, and we're going to be here for a long time. It's a family-run business. We're expanding, and we're very happy with what we've done with these truck mounts. We have an accessory package going on here, so we have not only inline filter boxes that strap right to the side of the unit. Usually we put them on this side. They can be put on either side, but like I said, we're coming out with a lot of good products. We build our own tank filters, really, really nice tank filters. So we're very independent of other people from the industry, other manufacturers. We like to manufacture everything so that we are able to control the costs, and controlling the costs is what counts, but not sacrificing quality, because quality is everything. And we use a lot of bar stock fittings, come out with a new manifold, simplistic manifold. Everything is very well put together, and you'll love what we do at Blue Baron. Call us at 727-505-2989. And this is, again, from the beginning of the video, 312-0100, going to Houma, Louisiana. This gentleman will be very happy with the results of this unit and the quality that we put into it. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com or Mr. Blue Baron 1 for the YouTube channel. Well over 300 videos supporting this industry. Thank you.